and I wanted to just darken up the edges a little bit. So if I can still get some of this paint that's not dry yet. I just feel like I should like age this, you know?
Well, that's what you're feeling.
Yeah. I feels it.
Okay.
I'm not sure why. I just do.
I'm pretty happy with where this has gone. Might want to add a little age to my edge of my page down here, which is very... There we go. I like that better. Doing a little highlights and shadowing now.
I think we're on to highlight as needed. Or did we miss detail to the background? We got to figure out where we're at.
Yeah, I think we are number 6.
Right.
I'm just adding some depth to my fruit down here at the bottom. Trying to get some separation between the different squash.
I think I might actually get maybe a stencil or something and add a little bit more detail to the background or something. It just seems like we missed a step somehow.
We did?
I don't know. Did you add detail to your background?
Yeah, right here. See?
Oh, okay. You added dots. All right. That makes sense.
Yep, I did.
Oh, I didn't. So now I got to go back and figure out how to fit that in.
It says add some marks, visual texture in to your painted image, and that's what I did. I added visual texture.
I added visual texture to the foreground, but not the background.
Well, and that's fine. I mean, that's basically what it asked you to do, was to add some. But you're saying you want some more.
I just feel like it's got maybe, I don't know.
I mean,